Windows PowerShell. We just started this room. You saw it yesterday, and we have task number 1, introduction. Ahoy there. If you are here, you've either heard whispers of the marvels of PowerShell and want to discover more, or you've sailed over from the first room of the command line module, Windows command line. This module is done already. Either way, you're about to embark on a journey to discover the marvels of this powerful shell, learning how to use it to uncover the secrets of any Windows system. Avast to them on board! Learning objectives. This is the second room in the command line module. Okay, let me just open this one to see, and actually this one. It is an introductory room to PowerShell, the second only historically command line utility built for the Windows operating system. As you can see, the Windows command line module or room is completed. You can check on my channel all the tasks. And then we have the command line module. Yeah, so the command line interface, the Windows command line is the room inside the command line module, and in this module we still have some more. Learn what PowerShell is and its capabilities, understand the basic structure of PowerShell language, learn and run some basic PowerShell commands, understand PowerShell's many applications in the cybersecurity industry. Room prerequisites. Before approaching this room, it's recommended that you have understood the concepts of Windows and Active Directory fundamentals, and the Windows command line room. I believe we have this also completed on the channel. Yes, it is. So you can check these on my channel. Everything is completed. Answer the questions below. Raise the anchor. Hoist the sails. It's time to set sail. Boys!